Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The pencil tool draws hard-edged lines in photos. Click the pencil tool button in the toolbox to use it. Then click and drag in your image to create lines and apply color to the pixels in the selected layer. The pencil tool has many of the same options as the brush tool, but cannot be used as an airbrush. There is an additional option in the tool options bar for the pencil tool, and that is auto erase. If you check this checkbox, you can then draw the background color over areas in the document where you have already applied the foreground color to replace it. After making your selections in the tool options bar, click and drag in your image to draw with the pencil tool.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.